gentlemen, welcome to Lanzarote, where the local time is 10:35 in the morning. That is 25 minutes ahead of schedule. That's 25 minutes for free holiday courtesy of Jet2.com. The outside temperature is 26 degrees. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as some things may have moved during the flight. Before leaving us today, please have a look on the flooring area, in your seating area and the overhead lockers to make sure that you don't leave anything behind, but if you do, we'll hand it to the ground team here.
Here's a bit of a guide to the blocks. We start off with D block by the children's swimming pool. So E block. Some of the decks, the swimming pool. E block. It's really early morning, 7:30. This block right in front of me. G block is across the back with a football court and tennis courts behind G block. In the corner H block, I block and J and K behind the pool bar area, and K block is to the right hand side over in the distance. There's another set part of the complex through there. Okay, so we're just going to do a little walk to the beach, show you how close it is to everything. So right outside the hotel you'll see a really conveniently placed spa supermarket. You can see 8 AM, 9 PM, 7 days a week. And we play the cash machine. Literally 30 seconds walk from the hotel. It's a fantastic Marco's bar. They have live music on every night, serve great food. Lovely little spot to people watch. It's great. Those travelling with Jet2, that's across the road where the coach will pick you up for your return journey. Taxi rank and the bus will drop you off on that side of the road. Still very early in the morning, but there's lots of shops, bars, restaurants down that little stretch known as Los Pasilos. And there you have it, access to the beach. That is Los Pasilos Beach. Quick room tour of F101. There's 3 of us sharing this 1-bedroom department. Sorry that it's a little bit lived in. TV which we haven't turned on. The fridge, the microwave, coffee maker, there's a kettle and toaster and bits and bobs under there. So you've got full self-catering facilities even though we're all inclusive. This is a 1-bedroom department. Get the ceiling fan, just helps the aircon nice and cool. There's reading lamps. Plenty of plug sockets either side. Nice big wardrobe, plenty of storage. To hang things up. Storage for the cases. There's the safe built into the wall. And in the bathroom, again you get the hairdryer. Towels changed up every day. Nice overbath shower. Toilet in the corner. Yeah, there's the aircon unit. It works absolutely wonderfully. It's brilliant. And then we've got a ground floor room. There's F101 straight out to the pool area. Yeah, great apartment.